I have this theory that the ideal city home does one of two things. Either it glorifies its cityness through views, through location, through architecture, or like this home, it does just the opposite, where it becomes a respite, a calming oasis in this very intense, energetic city. This home has the ability to transport you to another time and place. Remember the clips from starlets in the 20s, 30s, and 40s in Bel Air or Hancock Park? I get that same feel here. And you have to admit the curb appeal is spectacular with the period architecture, the mature landscaping, situated high on a hill overlooking the street, and those storybook awnings are just perfect. Built in 1910 for a shipping magnate, the Arts and Crafts home features 4,650 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, stunning interiors. But my favorite part of the house is this outdoor oasis. It feels like you're at a chic boutique hotel with a swimming pool, the outdoor kitchen, waterfall, and of course the birds chirping. Are we in New York? A big surprise and one of my favorite places is the downstairs climate-controlled wine cellar with barrel vaulted ceilings and an amazing dining grotto. I just love it. Every time I walk into it, I feel like I'm in a Tuscan villa. In my opinion, this is the most beautiful home on the best block on one of the largest lots in all of Bay Ridge. So if you're looking for that very special refuge in the city, this might just be the home for you.